welcome to Let's Cook It, everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite recipe of a meat sauce for your pasta. So whatever you have leftovers, either ground beef or a ground veal, you're good to use. But me, this is my secret recipe. I always add ground lamb to my meat sauce. Now, before we start with the meat, I'm going to fine chop all the vegetables I have here. I'm gonna begin with the red pepper, garlic, smash and fine chop. Green pepper, fine chop as well. Carrot, fine chop as well. Always when you use lamb, you gotta use rosemary. Now the celery, just smack it, slice and fine chop as well. Now if you notice, I'm working on the vegetable first, not the ground beef. Usually people, they cook the ground beef first, but I'm going to saute the vegetable first and then add the ground beef. That way all the ground beef infused with the saute flavor. Here we go, they're all ready to go. Now stove on a medium high, olive oil, all vegetable in, so saute the vegetable for 5 to 6 minutes on a medium-high heat. And now we're gonna add the meat. You don't have to wait for a leftover. You can buy the ground beef, but you must add the ground lamb. Some of them still a little frozen, but shouldn't be a problem. So the ground beef and the ground lamb cook all the way through. Now I'm gonna add salt and pepper, tomato paste, diced tomato, crushed tomato, and all the ingredients and the measurement will be in the description box. Vegetable broth, dry basil, chili flakes, garlic powder. Me, I love garlic, so I always, when I make tomato sauce or meat sauce, I put extra garlic. Mix all together. And I forgot to mention, I add some Worcestershire sauce as well. Now as soon as it starts simmering, we bring the heat down to medium, low, and you're okay to start using this meat sauce after 30 minutes to 45 minutes simmering. But if you're looking for the max flavor, you gotta let it simmer for at least an hour and a half to 2 hours. So today I have the time and I'm gonna let it simmer for hour and a half. So the medium and the medium low was a little bit high for it, so I put it on the low. So I let it simmer on the low. Now every 10-15 minutes, give it a little stir and continue simmering for about half an hour. Oh boy, look nice, smell amazing. And now it's time to prepare your favorite pasta. So make sure you have the water ready to boil, a bit salt in your boiling water, and my favorite is spaghetti. Let it boil 10 to 12 minutes, or always follow the instruction on the packages. I have here cornstarch diluted with water, about 1 tablespoon, and let's thicken it up a little bit. Turn off, let it rest 10 to 15 minutes, and ready to be served. A little bit of Parmesan cheese, and ready to enjoy. Wow, what a difference when you add the ground lamb. Now the meat sauce is ready. Go ahead and prepare your favorite pasta, and as always, enjoy.